Have you heard about the voice in the vents? It started in a small apartment in Chicago. A woman named Claire had just moved in, old building, paper-thin walls, and vents that groaned at night. One night around 2 a.m., she heard someone whisper her name through the air vent, soft, slow, almost like they were testing her reaction. She thought it was a neighbor, until she realized the sound was coming from the vent above her bed. She climbed up, shined her phone light inside, nothing but dust and metal. But then her phone speaker crackled and a voice said, "Don't look for me. I already know you can hear me." She screamed, slammed the vent shut, and slept on the couch. But the next night it started again, only this time the whisper came from the floor vent. When maintenance arrived the next morning, they pulled off the grate and found a wireless baby monitor stuffed deep inside. The strange part, the monitor was still on, and the other end was connected to her Wi-Fi. Before she could unplug it, the voice came through one last time. "I told you not to look for me, Claire." Police never found where the signal was coming from, but every tenant after her says the same thing. Around 2 a.m., the vents start whispering their name.